Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the settings, all we have to do is not settings. If we are on the camera, we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Now we can scroll down to the very bottom and find reset settings. Let's tap on it. Let's confirm it with tapping on reset, and as you can see, we've immediately got back to the camera, and as you can see, the grid lines aren't visible, which means that for sure we just successfully reset all camera settings. What's more, I forgot to say, I had also the timer applied, and as you can see right now it is turned off, so here we've got another evidence. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.